We now in Sacobia River Bridge and bike have flat tire and my friend cannot go to home and cannot repair here because all closed. It's time now 6:30. We just waiting. Maybe I will take car and pick up my friends, I don't know. So Shaira will call her father now. Maybe he will help. We found already Shaira, what name of this place?
Marcos Village.
Marcos Village.
Oh, I have also relatives here.
You have relatives in Marcos Village?
Yes, the other also have also relatives here.
Not expected we come to this village. Garage.
So my relatives have land there, that way. They have land there.
Marcos Village. I've been before one time, just only drive through here. Marcos Village. Don't have light, that's why you cannot see. Georgi, have girls here or not?
Yes, several girls here.
Do you like?
I'm not sure because I need to look more time.
No,
I
you
cannot
can.
stare in a
You can talk only. You can buy something from. Okay, let's go. I will help you, Georgi.
If you want to take a picture, take a video.
No, I not will
They
take.
shy.
No, I not take video. I just stop take video and put my camera in the back, and we talk only together. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I not take video. I just take video only now.
But I'm not sure about her.
Not sure.
Not yet.
Okay. I know. I will not take not take video. Should not see. I will stop. Okay. This is pig blood.
Pig's blood and pig's intestine.
This is spicy. I see. Spicy. so this need put in the rice. Eat with rice. I never tried. And how much is 50 peso? This one is one is 50 peso. Interesting.
It's nearly sold out.
But you sell with rice for 50 peso only this one. With
No.
without rice. Oh, but we we don't know where you can buy rice.
We don't have rice anymore pala. Ay, pala.
Pala, what is pala?
Haven't cooked yet.
My friend sometimes tried Filipino foods, but he what how to say, Georgi? No, sometimes you don't know how to what is good for you or not.
You don't need to say anything.
Huh?
You don't need to say anything.
Okay. So eat with only with rice. Without rice cannot.
We haven't cooked.
Okay. So okay. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, I will ask my friend how much.
Пойдем, пойдем.
I will ask, maybe she know how to eat with blood. Okay. Ina Buan. This is good, but it's need with rice only.
Yeah, with rice.
We sell without rice 50 peso. You want? Do you want to home?
You
Huh?
want?
No,
You
try.
want?
If Georgi, maybe try. What do you think?
I don't know if they want.
Georgi already leave. I already finished. Finish already.
No pork blood, no any other animal blood. I don't like. Все?
So what problem?
I don't know how to explain in English.
That's good.
He already fixed it.
But you take the... That's okay, let's go.